don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Ubaba Umnigeni. Welcome to
Ya Stibo, wasuba nomfutho ongaka manje sidliwe. Kanti wena ulona ibhakaniya.
Kholo baba wami. Kholo baba wami.
No, mfowethu. A good game with a wrong result.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kodwa asiyibambe kanje.
Sure.
Asiqale lapha kuSundowns.
Khuluma nami.
Umdawu. Khuliso Mdawu.
Yes.
The best right back on planet Earth. Yeah.
Not just
or in history. Ukhona omunye ngithe ngiyamtshela ngendaba yo Kyle Walker. Kyle Walker was the best defender until Vinicius Junior happened.
Yes.
Yeah. So Umdawu number 1. Umuntu odle iPirates namhlanje.
Ubani simana?
Akuyena uBrian Leon.
Uba
Jayden Adams. Jayden Adams bekuhlula bethi baya panic kuSundowns. Alibambe ibhola alibeke esifubeni, alibamba alibeke phansi, aliphase ubengalilahle sidalo ibhola. Uyena umuntu ekade ebalekile. Hlale ngibatshela abantu ngithi Sundowns bethela abaphathi ngamanzi ngoba angazi basebenza engadini ama support eSundowns athanda ukuthelana ngamanzi.
Yes.
Ngibatshela ukuthi iSundowns ihlakaniphile iphethwe abantu abahlakaniphile.
Sure.
Ingakho bahamba bayolanda uTony Leon from Temu. uBrian Leon.
Yeah.
Ingwenya. Wazi into akayingenele egroundini.
Yeah.
Wazi into akayoyenza egroundini. Muhle kakhulu usebenzile lo mfana ushaya itarget kuphela. Uyinto akayicabanga uma isegroundini ucabanga igoli.
Yeah.
Sibuye lo mfana lona abathanda ukumgxeka uTashrik Morris. Hlale ngibatshela uTashrik Morris akuyona iwinger. I-half winger ungathi uyiwinga kodwa futhi wenza isilima futhi akayona iwinga. Ubamba ibhola angathi uye sidini abuye angena ngaphakathi eshaya amaphasi okwenza lokho ukuthi abe ingozi ngendlela exakile. First half iSundowns ibulala iPirates ngaka left. Umdiba na uTashrik Morris. Ibona abantu abalimaze iPirates kakhulu ngoba bebengena lapha iPirates umuntu ekade wazama ngathi uyababona uSibelebile. Sibelebele noma Sibilibili.
Yes.
Oh yena lo mshoyo.
Sibelebele.
Oh Mike Mamosha. Yena umuntu ekade zama ukuyimaka iSundowns kakhulu. Kodwa ibimehlula ngoba kade beza kuye sebehuza singazi kanjani. I-defender of the season Siema.
Yes.
Usiema engathi Sundowns ubeyesaba yabona ubedlala kodwa ubeqhaqhazela. Ngize ngakhipha lento yami le ngathi ngiyashaya ngapha kwangazwakala kwavele kwaphuma umlilo lana ngathi hayi ngathi umthiphe usibambe ngenye into namhlanje. Yeah. Yebo. Ucoach wathu angifuni ukuthi uyithole wrong. Kodwa you don't play a lot around with your defense.
Yes.
He played with his defense. Recently has been using uNdaba ngaka left lo mfana uVan Rooyen ngaka right. Kodwa namhlanje wabakhipha wababeka ngaphandle egamini enkulu. Engathi Sundowns uyayesaba ngoba nakuleya game yokuqala sodlala u1-1 nakhona wayesaba ngoba wafaka ama central midfielder amathathu. Kukhona into esingatshelwa yona kuPirates. Kukhona into esingatshelwa yona ukuthi mhlambe umbatha mhlambe imase ngiyicabangela mina mhlambe unenkinga yediscipline asazi. Ngiyasola ngazi ngoba udlali loba iman of the match igame elandelayo lena esuka ke awusamboni namhlanje awumbona akangabibikho nasebhenchini. Ama-substitute ngithi mhlawumbe angazi noma ucoach mhlambe unento zakhe ngoba ngathi u-emotional. Ngibone abona i-interview yakhe angevike edlule mangabe zothi kukhona abadlali kufanele bephakamise isandla besho ukuthi abafuni ukudlala. Namhlanje uMakhoba simboni nasebhenchini ekubeni siyazi ukuthi uyi-big game player. Okusho ukuthi ucoach naye mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi uba emotional angimtholi kahle. Lokhuzane umdiba ngisamnika futhi namanje. Sengiyivala ama-substitution ka-coach wethu abe wrong, coach we-Pirates. Yeah, umremi muhle uma ngabe ngena ngaka left.
Yes.
Akakaze waba effective when he's attacking on the foot from the right, cutting inside. He's never been effective.
Yeah,
so
sure.
it was wrong to put him there. He should have put him straight on the left.
Yeah.
Or at least when he took off Maswanganyi,
Sure.
should have put in Mbule, who was going to combine passes like Maswanganyi was trying.
Yes.
But Maswanganyi as well is a coward sometimes.
Nah.
He doesn't want to take responsibility. 2 times he was in front of the defense of Mamelodi Sundowns, behind the defense of Mamelodi Sundowns, but he ended up not taking a shot. Why is he there?
Yeah.
Sometimes I even say maybe this Travis Scott thing, when he goes there, he starts rhyming and forget that he's in front. Yeah, he must stop saying my man and take off that belt and be the Tito Maswanganyi with the wrong hair. That I know. You must see Tito Maswanganyi lo enwele zimbi isihluthi. That is the Tito Maswanganyi, but this one who is coward, we don't know that one. Man. He must take responsibility. And someone said the wrong thing now. Yeah, ivar noma ngiyivala. Ngiyayivala ke ngoba uthi ngiyivala. Angisazi isitsotsi mina ngiyena waseGoli. Okay. Sengivala ukhona no ngiyathi manje uTravis Scott
Akukhumbula uTito wesihluku.
yebo ngazi lo Tito mina ongesabi manje
Lo qina.
hayi lo qinayo ufaka amaduku la ekhanda engathi yo my man phambi kwa goalkeeper akahambe kanjani bese iPirates ngiyacela kubaphatha akebe bewukhipha umqondo weChiefs iChiefs isebenza ngemali iPirates bekufana iChiefs isebenza ngemali iPirates siyazi thina isebenza ngokuwina ukuthi size la eFNB besizela imali saluza 3 points kanti eOrlando asifuni lutho nabadlali abafuni lutho ngoba istadium lesi esabo kunabanye abantu abazocelebrate iPirates mayidliwa kuphela. They will never see a trophy. I don't want to say who are they because I don't know who are they. Hayi angazi mina. Angishongo. Hayi angishongo.